I would like to describe another innovative product that XOP has introduced. But before we talk about the product, let me talk a little bit about this product here. Okay. As you can tell, it is called SPS 1000, and it used to come from a company called Sycamore. Now, Sycamore a few years ago decided to quit this business. So they no more manufacture SPS 1000s. In fact, they have even started supporting the product. So there's no more support available for it either. Yet this product is deployed in the financial services, in the energy trading sectors, and several other verticals, right? And typically this product is front-ended with a digital cross-connect. So digital cross-connect typically would have several T1s coming to it, and it will interconnect the DS0s of a T1, and it will bring those DS0s that require the hoot function or the conferencing functions. Those DS0s will be groomed onto a T1 and then presented to the SPS 1000. SPS 1000 in turn will put those voice channels into a hoot room, or even support what is called automatic ring down, and on top of those support manual ring down. So these are the typical capabilities provided by the SPS 1000, and it is a fine product and it's been around for quite some time. It was manufactured by Sycamore. Sycamore has left this business. So consequently, several of these are deployed in the industry. They are typically front-ended by a digital cross-connect, which does the grooming, as I explained. So this is how the several customers who have this exact network in their locations. And these T1s that I'm mentioning, they could be coming from multiple different locations. These could be coming off of a PBX or some other piece of equipment. This could be location D, this is location A. So these could themselves be coming from various different parts. So in a typical customer's case, these T1s come into a cross-connect. The ones that require the SPS 1000, those DS0s are groomed, presented over this T1, where this product does what it does, which is essentially the conferencing function. So anyways, so this is the lay of the land. One of our customers who had this came to us and said, I cannot find any support for SPS 1000. Can you provide me a replacement? Surely, as XOP would, we took it upon us as a challenge to meet this customer's need, and we crafted a new product. That new product is built using a Cisco router. Cisco router, as we all know, can support CAS T1s as a plugin that also comes from Cisco. We deployed XOP's conferencing software on the server module of that Cisco router. So between the confines of the Cisco router, we were able to implement the cross-connect function, which requires a separate box here, and integrated with the conferencing function sitting on a server module inside the Cisco router. So by putting both of these functions in one physical chassis, we were able to create much more robust product, and obviously much less expensive. So instead of dealing with two products from two different vendors, now it is a Cisco router doing both the functions. We call this product an XOP SPS replacement product, because and this can basically functionally replace the cross-connect function, which is what I'm describing here. So it has a built-in 1.0 cross-connect. It does the hoot conferences, supports the automatic ring down as well as the manual ring down. So all the functions that this product provided, they are still there. All the application or the cross-connect capability that the 1.0 cross-connect provided is also integrated into it. So this combined product is a lot more effective, and it is a suitable replacement for two of these products for our customers.